All right, this is Ruby's 2018 fireworks stash. So, Ruby, you want to tell everybody? Can you tell everybody kind of some of the things that you have?
Yeah.
All right, what do we have?
So we have 2 rockets.
Mm-hmm.
Some of these.
Okay.
Some rockets and some balls.
And are those smoke balls?
These are smoke balls.
Okay.
Some eyeballs, some ducks, some ladybugs, and some of these, some of these.
What are those in that white box? Are those the round balls?
Yeah.
What do they do?
They go up.
Oh, okay.
They go up and make a big sound.
Okay.
And we have some long fireworks that go in the air and explode big. And we have some ducks.
Mm-hmm.
Some of these.
Some chasers. And that red box right there, those are parachutes.
Some parachutes.
Show everybody the ladybugs. Pick them up and so we can see it on the camera.
We have ladybugs. They go twist around.
Mm-hmm.
They are super cool, but for now we are going to use these at when it's the parade time. When it's dark, we can use all of these fireworks, and then when we're done using these fireworks, we can say some of these.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
And Daddy will put some of them in his desk, on his desk, in the garage. We have some butterflies.
Some dancing butterflies. And what about the giant sparklers? The super giant sparklers.
We have some big giant sparklers.
Mm-hmm. And then some more sparklers right there.
More.
Uh-huh.
And then these.
And, oh yeah, I forgot. We have the fountains.
We have a spiders.
Black Widow fountain.
Spiders.
Mm-hmm. And a cricket fountain.
Yep, the cricket fountain. Mm-hmm. But these are kind of scary.
No, I don't. I think they're just fountain. They'll just shoot colors. They'll just be really colorful.
Oh, like these other ones?
Uh-huh, like the sparklers too.
They'll be really big. Like really big.
All right. Well, this is Ruby and Adrian, and we were just showing.
Look. I forgot to show
Oh, the firecrackers. Okay, the loud firecrackers.
We have some loud fireworks.
We have 2 of those. 2 packs of those. Yeah.
But this other one is already open.
Yeah, that's okay. And these are my favorite. These large crackers. They're like the little snaps, the little TNT poppets. They're like these poppets, but on steroids.
We throw them on the ground.
Yeah, they're really loud.
Yeah.
We'll probably go use some of those in a minute since they're not too loud in the neighborhood. Throw some on the ground. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
Bye.
well, say bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Tell them thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
All right.